The Supreme Court has now questioned the government once again on the double taxation avoidance treaty and its use in tackling the issue of black money. The Supreme Court has told the government and has rather asked the government, slamming it, saying that is the double taxation treaty only there to benefit those with black money in Swiss banks? And the government has maintained, like always, that names of Swiss bank account holders can't be disclosed. Now Rhythm joins us on the phone line for more on this. Rhythm, the government still sticking to its own stand, saying it cannot disclose the names of those Indians who hold Swiss bank accounts.
Absolutely, Moon. What's happened in the Supreme Court today is once again relevant because it's not the first time, not the second time, but the upteen number of times that the Supreme Court has gone and questioned the government, this time putting a direct question to the Solicitor General who's appearing for the government. Very clearly, Justice Sudarshan Reddy, who's been hearing the matter, said, when you actually take the name of the double taxation treaty, is this only applicable to those Indians who stashed money abroad? He went on to say these people are neither here nor there. There is no question of paying any tax by them. They just take the money and they stash it in bank accounts abroad. Why are you protecting them? That's the question. That's the expression that the Supreme Court was really looking at. Once again, the government appearing, the Solicitor General appearing for the government had the same answer to give, like you said. Again and again, he says the double taxation treaty is applicable. We cannot disclose the names. We have to make sure that that treaty is abided by. Otherwise, the other countries will not go ahead and give us more names. Now, that being the government stand, the Supreme Court once again perplexed at this actual unholy business that's happening, because people who are stashing their money abroad are not, their names are not being disclosed. They are being made to give the privilege that the government is giving them. It's keeping them in private. So that's the question that the government continues to be, having to answer from the Supreme Court. The hearing will continue at 2 for about 40 minutes when more disclosures might be made by the government that the Supreme Court will make observations on.